This is the only Honda Transalp 750, the latest addition to the Honda's fleet, and let's listen out the exhaust note. So this is the speedometer, and we got the double barrel exhaust over here.